When I first came to Canada, I had no idea that this journey can be so challenging. One of the most difficult moments of my MBA journey happened on the same day when I had my project management midterm exam and I had to send my 2-year-old back to my family because I could not manage my work, studies, and parenting alongside with the other commitments. In that moment, I felt emotionally overwhelmed and unsure how I would continue my studies. But looking back now, that moment became one of the most important turning points in my journey as a student and as a future leader. Hello, I am Soumya, and today I would like to reflect on my MBA journey and how it helped me develop important leadership qualities like teamwork, communication, and resilience. I came to Canada with the dream of becoming an HR professional, and my MBA journey has been much more than just an academic learning. It has been a journey of a personal growth, professional development, and self-reflection through these different experiences in the program, such as group projects, teamwork, class discussion, and applying these lessons in my workplace. I gradually developed important managerial skills like communication, teamwork, and leadership. This experience helped me understand the importance of sharing ideas confidently, listening to a different perspective, and working collaboratively with the people from a diverse background. At the same time, this journey helped me become more aware of my personal strengths and the area which I need to grow. Overall, my MBA experience has shaped the way I approach the challenges, teamwork, and leadership in both academic and my professional life. Before starting my MBA, I worked as a lawyer in India, where communication and analytical thinking were essential skills in my daily work. My role often required presenting arguments, analyzing complex situations, and expressing ideas clearly and confidently. Because of this background, I always considered my communication to be my key strength. However, when I moved to Canada to pursue my MBA, I began to work in physiotherapy clinic as an admin, where I realized the communication in a multicultural environment involves much more than simple speaking. I was interacting with my colleagues and clients from a diverse culture and professional background. Each had a different perspective and communication style. This experience helped me understand the effective communication also requires openness and cultural awareness, and the confidence to share ideas while respecting different viewpoints. It became an important learning experience that contributed to my growth both personally and professionally. One of my most important learning experience came from my workplace. Initially, my seniors were skeptical about my working style. I usually focused on completing tasks and solving problems, but I often kept my ideas in my mind instead of communicating them clearly. Because of this, it sometimes appeared that I was avoiding my responsibilities even though I was actively working on solutions. This misunderstanding affected my confidence and lowered my self-esteem. During that time, one of my colleagues supported me a lot when I shared my ideas to her privately, and she presented those ideas in a group discussion, clearly mentioning my name. And when managers appreciated those ideas, I realized something very important. Even the best ideas have no impact if they are not communicated. That moment helped me to understand that leadership begins with the courage of speaking up. One most important realization during my MBA journey was that the leadership development often begins with personal growth. As I worked with a diverse team in the different courses, I started reflecting on how I approach collaboration, decision making, and problem solving. I became more aware of the importance of confidence, empathy, and clear communication in leadership. This experience helped me move beyond the hesitation and I became more proactive in contributing my ideas and supporting my team members. As I mentioned at the beginning, that period was one of the most challenging times in my MBA journey. It was a time when I was struggling with my personal responsibilities, emotional stress, and academic pressure all at once. During that time, I realized how important resilience and self-management are, especially when facing unexpected challenges. Although it was difficult, this experience helped me reflect on my priorities and reminded me why I started this journey at first place. It made me realize that challenges are part of growing, and sometimes they help us develop strength and determination that we did not know we had. After experiencing that difficult period, I realized that I need to set back and think more strategically about my situation. I reminded myself that why I began this journey and what I want to achieve in my MBA. Around the same time, I also discovered that I had mistakenly enrolled into the course which is not aligned with the CPHR pathway, which added more stress to already challenging situation. During this time, my project management professor played a very important role because I had also scored very less in my midterm exam. He helped me, he guided me, and encouraged me to speak with an academic advisor, and that helped me understand how to correct my course selection. With that support, I was able to enroll in the right course and refocused on my academic goals. I studied hard to come back in my project management course. This moment became a turning point for me because it reminded me that the challenges can also create opportunity for learning, growth, and better decision making. One important insight from my MBA journey was understanding the human sides of leadership. Experiencing personal challenges while managing studies and work helped me realize that everyone carries responsibilities and struggles that others may not always see. This experience helped me develop greater empathy and understanding towards others. As a future leader, I want to create an environment where people feel supported and understood, because when people feel valued, they perform exceptional. Reflecting on my MBA journey, I gained several meaningful insights that have changed and shaped the way I think about leaders and professional growth. One of the key lessons I learned is how important clear communication is in building trust within the team. When people openly share their ideas and perspectives, it creates an environment where collaboration becomes easier and decisions are more effective. I also realized that leadership often develops during the challenging moment rather than the comfortable one. Facing personal and academic challenge during the MBA taught me the importance of resilience, adaptability, and maintaining focus even when the circumstances are not in your favor. Another important insight for me was recognizing the value of a support system. Throughout my journey, guidance from my professors, mentors, and supportive colleagues played a significant role, helping me navigate the challenges and stay motivated. Their encouragement reminded me that the growth is not always about an individual process. It often happens through learning from others, and you should be open to take a guidance. This experience helped me develop deeper appreciation for collaboration, mentorship, and continuous learning is an essential key for a leadership. I would like to end my reflection with the leadership quote. It says, leadership is not about being in charge, it is about taking care of those in your charge. This quote strongly connects with what I learned in my MBA journey. My experience during this program showed me that leadership is not only about knowledge or authority, but it's about supporting others, communicating openly, and continue to grow through challenges.